All right, ninjas, is everybody ready to have fun today? Say, yes, sir!
Yes, sir!
Don't let Miss Abby's team be louder. Say, yes, sir! Oh, yeah. So today, ninjas, our first game for rolling is going to be called Grab the Pads. Everyone say, grab the pads!
Grab the pads!
Uh-oh, I think Mr. Becca was loud enough. Excellent. So, for this drill, it's going to be a lot of fun. Everybody say numbers.
Numbers.
We're going to have some numbers. If you look at the pads, the first one is going to be number 1. Everybody say number 1.
Number 1.
What do you think this number is going to be?
2.
2. And what do you think this one's going to be?
3.
So we have 1, 2, and 3. So here's how the game works. Miss Rebecca is going to start by laying on her belly with her hands really close to the pads over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say a number. When I say the number, Miss Rebecca has to pencil roll all the way to the pad, either 1, 2, or 3. When she gets there, everybody say, grab the pad.
Grab the pad.
And then say, go back.
Go back.
So once Miss Rebecca gets to the pad, she has to grab it and then roll all the way back. Are you ready, Miss Rebecca?
Yes, sir.
See if you can grab number 3. So she's got to roll. That's the farthest one. Oh, man. All those workouts are kicking in for the belly muscles and the legs, and we're going. And everybody give Miss Rebecca a hand! She did it. High five, Miss Rebecca.
And now he's number 1.
Yeah, now that one could be number 1. But what we'll do after we bring it back is we'll just put this pad. Make sense, yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, on round 2, Miss Abby, we're going to call out 2 numbers. Everybody say, ooh. If we call out 2 numbers, let's say I said 2 and 3. You would have to grab number 2, roll to number 3, and now everybody say double stack.
Double stack.
You gotta make a double stack. You got a double cheeseburger right now. You gotta keep it together and then bring it all the way back to your line. Can you guys do it, yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Miss Abby, we're gonna go one time with 1 number and then another time with 2 numbers. But ninjas, don't forget, everybody say roll fast.
Roll fast.
Make sure you're rolling fast so you can get the game done quick. Make sense, yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Second thing.
Number 3,
Yeah?
you have to get all of them.
All of them. Sometimes. Now, when we do the second thing, everybody say eyes open.
Eyes
If your
open.
eyes are closed, you never know which one to get. And then everybody say hands tight.
Hands tight.
Make sure you have tight hands, because if you drop your pads, can you get them back to your team, yes or no? No, and that won't let us win the game. So, we're going to go 2 times through the line, Miss Abby, having a ton of fun. All right, Miss Riley, you lay on your belly first.
Yep.
Make sure your hands are close to the pad, so we're going to turn, yep, just like this. I'll bring you over here, okay? All right, are you ready? This is number 1. You see it? Use your eyes. Look this way. Number 2, and then number 3. I'm going to move them a little further down so you can roll.
together, okay?
Ready? Hands together. And can you roll all the way to number 2?
Go to number 2.
Alright, good rolls. Gotta stay close to the pads.
Grab number 2.
Reach for it, grab it. Okay, now you can roll all the way back to Miss Rebecca.
And then grab it.
Nice.
And then roll all the way
And
back to me.
got it! Nice job, Riley. Okay, Mr. Liam, you're up next. So start on this line right here. See this big line?
Nice job. And
Oh,
you
I'm
can
seeing
go have
that.
a
Okay,
seat.
are you ready? Can you go to number 3?
All the way above your head.
All the way. Keep those arms over your head. Ooh, see, reach that other arm up there. Reach that other arm. Okay, arms over your head. Remember, keep that pad up.
Ready?
Not bad, and back to Miss Rebecca.
We gotta get
Nice. Okay. Easy. All right, Liam, you can sit behind Riley. Okay. Now, both of you ninjas, on this round, remember, I want the pads
Ready?
over your head like this, so that when you
Can you
roll,
roll to
you
number
get really
3?
strong. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't go like this. Okay, let's see. Miss Riley, are you ready?
Nice.
Lay it down on your belly, right on the line right there, okay?
And then roll back. Turn your feet.
And then turn your feet. Very good.
And
Okay, it's
you're
round 2,
there.
Riley. So I'm going to say
Nice
2
job.
numbers.
High five.
You have to grab 2
High five.
pads. Are you ready?
Good.
Hands over your head.
Nice job.
Show me
You have to
numbers
sit down.
1 and 3.
All right, you ready,
So
Angie?
you got to get number 1 and 3.
You ready? There's Yeah. number
One.
1.
You got to get all the way down to the next one.
Right. Grab number
Three.
3.
Now you gotta keep them over your head and go back to Miss Rebecca.
Back. All the way over your head.
All the way over your head. Keep them over. Keep them over. That's it, girlie. Good job. Don't drop that double cheeseburger.
Gotta grab it.
Yes.
Minute.
You got it.
And
All
then-
right.
Wait. Grab
Nice
number
job, Mr. Liam. Let's see if you can get a double cheeseburger too. All right, start on the line over there so you get a good roll into it. Are you ready? Are you sure? Make sure those hands stay up. We're going to try numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Go.
Go.
Go ahead, let's call you 2 and 3. Stay close to the pads. 2 and 3. Which one's 2?
And there
Yes.
we go.
Nice. Too close. You get a little closer to it. There you go. Nice. You're going to come down to this one. Stack them together. And now over your head. Over your head. Keep the double cheeseburger up. Wear it like a crown. Over, over, over. All the way up. We're getting, yes, better. Nice one. All right. Nice job, ninjas. Easy, cheesy. All right. Nice, Dax. Get it, get it, get it.
And there we go. Nice job. High
All right. Which team's sitting the best?
We're not done yet.
It's not done
We
yet?
are done.
Oh.
We finished.
Who's sitting the best though? Nice work. All right, ninjas. Everybody, raise those hands up. Was that pretty easy? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you guys did a great job. Everybody give yourself a big round of applause. You got to clap in a circle.